Okay, this is page, what did we say? 51. Page 51. Oh, wow. 51. And we're looking at the transformations of quadratics. Page 50 from yesterday, you were supposed to discover that when the negative's in the front of the quadratic, it causes it to reflect down. And then you were supposed to discover that when there is a plus or minus a number at the very end of the quadratic equation, it causes it to shift up or down based on what the number is. So here we're putting it all together and we're practicing recognizing it. I would suggest highlighting the mother function. If you highlight the mother function, now it's going to let you clearly see what the fluff is. And what I mean by that is transformations. So,
please excuse the interruption. Seniors, if you need help applying to a college in Georgia and your last name begins with the letters D, E, or F, please bring your Chromebook to the Media Center at this time. Thank you.
if you highlight the mother function, by the way, is just x squared. If you highlight the mother function, then you can see what the extra stuff is. I see plus 2. Notice it's at the very end. So what's this graph going to do? Think of yesterday and this morning. The whole thing is going to shift up 2. So it's the mother function shifted up 2. Which graph is this? Clearly D. Because there's the mother function shifted up 2. Okay? So this is D. Next, let's highlight the mother function right here very carefully. And what do you notice? It's going to reflect. I want you to, instead of saying goes down, I want you to say reflect down or open down. Because when you say go down, it also kind of implies dropping down, and we don't want that. It's going to reflect down because of the negative. Then what's it going to do? Go down. Shift down 3. So which one is that? C. It's reflecting down and it's shifted down. So this is C. Highlight the mother function here. What's it doing? Reflect down and then shift. Careful, be careful. Plus 1, so shift up. So that's which one? B. What about this one? Clearly A, but it's opening up like normal, and then it's shifting up 5. Ty, stay with me, please. All right.
Yeah, I was like,
McDonald's steak.
Guys, I got an 80 on my test, and I love behind.
All right. So right here, 5 through 8, guys, please quit. Somehow, 2, 3. Oh, no boys. Describe the transformation and then graph it on the coordinate plane. They do want you to put all of these graphs on the same coordinate plane. That way you can see the shifting, the reflecting, all of it. Number 5. The mother function is doing what? Reflecting down. That's what you should write. Reflect down. Wait a minute. And then translate. You say opens down. Ty, I need you to do this, sweetie. You can say translate up 5, or you can say shift up 5. Either one. I do want you to learn the word translate. Okay? think of when you go to a foreign country and you have to get a translator.
Students, please pardon the interruption, teachers. Seniors, if you need help in applying to college in Georgia and your last name begins with the letter G through K, please bring your Chromebook to the media center at the time.
All right, so reflect
Thank you.
down, and then you can say translate down 5. Or you can say shift down 5. But it's very important that you know that it's down 5. Okay?
But it's going down.
That's good. Yeah, it's gonna open down, and then it's going to bump down.
So the plus on the 5.
Or dump down. I said down. Thank you. Up. That means you get it. Way to go. I said down 5 and it's up 5. No, baby, it's plus.
Oh, wait, so just translate.
This
Is it like this?
This is
Oh.
the
Up 5, like hands down.
So you mean
She said down, but it's a plus, so it's
is
up.
where it starts at.
Oh, she bumped them up.
down.
You
Translate
definitely said that
up.
after code.
So it's gonna be like here, but then we're gonna bump it up to 5. So then it'll be like there. Does that make sense?
I know. I know it smells good.
Yeah, they
So-
like dog food.
0, 0. I don't know where the. It'd be like right there.
You see how like nobody's laughing.
You made a joke.
I didn't make a joke. I was just telling you you stayed out.
You smelled good.
Actually, I said you saw a
What's
dog
this one
crowd.
gonna do, y'all? Shh. Guys,
Tinley.
it's gonna be opening up like normal, which means you don't have to necessarily. Well, I guess. Yeah, no, you don't have to write it. But it is going to translate up. Y'all, shh. 1. So it's the mother function opening up, going up 1. This is gonna get crazy. You'll have to do that later.
I was thinking this.
I don't like that.
Yeah, you can do it. Make them different. Make one dotted, one really dotted, one solid, and then one bold. What's this one gonna do, y'all? Shh. Oh, please stop. 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 Guys, I'm recording. What's this one gonna do?
You go down 4.
Then shift down forward, or you can say drop down forward, either one. It's gonna reflect up, but then it's gonna shift down forward. What's this one gonna do?
Wait.
Reflect down, shift up forward. Now go to the back. The back is the same thing. The difference is they want to see, can you write the equation?
No.
So I'm going to leave this here. See if you can write the equation.
On the back?
Yeah. Yeah, you can do it. So it says it's going to reflect across the x-axis. Well, what does that look like? X-axis. When you say reflect down, you're saying over the x-axis. So don't let that throw you off. It's going to reflect over the x-axis and followed by a translation 7 units up. So see if you can write the function. They started for you. G of x.
Wait, it affects what?
Yours says reflects down and shifts up 7. They want you to write the function. Try it.
I know what it is. I think.
G of x.
Blah, blah, blah.
try it. I need you to try it. Put it together and try it. Try to write a function doing what it says it's going to do. So the mother function is x squared. We're going to reflect across the x-axis, which means it's opening down. And then we're going to go where? 7 units up. So what's our function going to be?
Negative x squared plus 7.
Yeah! Do you know the vertex? 0.
Wait, 7.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, I'll do that.
so I don't know if there's a couple ways you should know. One, you should know that all of these on this paper are splitting the the y-axis. They're all splitting it. So they're all just, right here on the y-axis, either opening up or opening down. If you remember the other day, I said that the vertex is HK. There's no H here because there's no set of parentheses. It's 0. And then it's 7. K's on the end. How's it negative? Because of this.
Oh, okay.
Try 10. Try 10. Don't forget it's reflecting across the x-axis. So you just need to adjust right here. What would this do? Because this is right here. Just like this one.
That's a y.
Oh no. What'd you get? You get that? What's the vertex? -6, right? Because it's dropping down. All right. Now, this is saying, this is tricky. This is not the mother function. This is a regular function that's already been tweaked. And they want you to tweak it by going 3 more units down.
So can you do that at -3?
Okay, and then you gotta clean it up. You don't leave it like
Yeah,
that.
then you do the vertex.
So this would actually be -3, right? So what would the equation actually be?
Negative x squared.
Just say -1. You're fine. Now, what's the vertex?
-1.
Careful.
Negative. Is it 0 and -1?
All right, number 12. Take one that's already been adjusted, and they're saying to go over the x-axis, over the x-axis, which means it's opening down, and then translate 4 units up. So what would we adjust?
Plus
You're gonna add 4 here. What else do we adjust? Negative x squared. So what do I write here? -2. Right? So what's the vertex?
0, -2.
Alright, look at this one. F is the mother function. This is the mother function right here. Green has been adjusted. What happened? It reflects over it shifted
Down.
down,
Up to.
went up 2, right?
Oh, okay.
Now, it doesn't say give me the function. Instead, it says tell me the vertex of G.
We're gonna be 0,
0, 2. Now read the range of G.
bracket 2 on
Infinity.
negative infinity. Negative.
Bottom to top. You're good. So negative infinity, because it's down here, right? Arrows. 2, 2. Bracket. Stand by, let me give you this, and then you can pack up. This is your homework.
Oh man. Over the weekend.
No, what's Friday?
You just like Friday. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm
Hand one to her.
Hold on. Wait. Hold on.
It was very familiar,
You
but there's a slight difference.
Give me.
Yeah, it's light work.
Light work, no reaction.
Light work, no
Probably
reaction.
Hello.
Hi, you just did this. Thank you.